Hi YouTube, hi friends, hi my little clowns. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful, clownish type makeup, and we're living on our Barbie dreams right now. Obviously I'm a tad bit sunburned. Should we, wait, oh, I don't know if you can see it as much anymore, but it was horrible yesterday. But today I pulled out this palette from UnEarthly Cosmetics to make this Barbie-ish look. So if you would like to see how I got this look, and if you'd like to see any other like stupid thing that I do, and maybe join my comp raid, I'd love to have you subscribe, like, comment, whatever the hell you want to do. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I thought since my face is incredibly sunburned, because I went to the lake with the kids I work with, that we're gonna play with some reds today so then I can match the tones my face is giving off. So I'm playing with the UnEarthly Cosmetics Surrender palette from their Valentine's Day box thing. Mine's an absolute mess. I'm pretty sure when I played with this, I played with the reds and the pinks, so that is still sort of my plan, as I've done some neutrals as of late, but I'm gonna try and change it up a little bit. It's really funny because unintentionally my pants are also red and my boba drink is also red, so we're on some tones today. We're on some tones. Also, I don't know if you could tell if I was wearing my glasses yesterday or not, like at all. Like at all. I used the Rem Beauty concealer in Fair 2N because I am a very pale, pasty little girl. And the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder to set that. I've had this in my collection for a very long time. Haven't really used it, and I'm like, I gotta start using it more. I'm gonna start with this shade right here called Sensual. It's like a maroon, burgundy, wonderful warmness, goodness. I'm going to take it on a blender brush. I'm going to put it in the outer corner and the inner. I think I'm going to go for a halo-ish eye today. But also, thank you for all the love on my video with Jan and Shawnee. I appreciate it and I love it. Because I love getting all the comments. I love interacting with y'all and talking and all that with y'all. I love it. I think that's just because like I'm a talker. Okay, so those brushes just weren't the right ones to go. I'm gonna go with this one. It's a tad bit more pointier. Again, these ones don't have names. All my other ones do from Refer, but these were from a brand called Cocoa Crunch, who reached out to me and gave me a discount code to get them, and then yeah. But I'm just gonna plop this on here, go a little bit like that, maybe clean up that part. So I took that blenderish brush and I'm just blending it out a little, because I don't want like really harsh edges, but I want the shape. So I'm gonna go in with this red shade right here called Surrender, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that right here. This is a palette that I think I've only played with once, so I thought, why the hell not take it out again? I don't know. I don't know why I've just haven't, you know? I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to blend those two together on each side. And then I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this shade right here called, I honestly don't know how to say it. Again, if I don't know how to say it, it's either going to be in the screen or you're just going to have to figure it out for yourself. It's a light baby pink shade, and I'm just putting that in that open space I left. Again, going in with that brush and just blending things out. And then I'm going to go in with a mix of this shade right here called Alluring, Mesmerizing, and Radiant, and put that in this portion of the eye. So I think just because I'm going to do the under eye, because obviously I'm not putting foundation or anything on my skin because she's sensitive. But I'm going to go in with this shade again, Sensual. Actually, you know what? Rubbing it on my pants. We're going to go in with this shade, this pink shade. Hopefully that was in camera. If it's not, it is what it is. But I'm going to put that on the under eye with absolutely no base down there. And then I'm going to take that brush that I used, wipe it off, and take a little bit of that Sensual shade, but not a lot, and put it below and blend it together. And then I'm going to take that, wait, where is it? And put the shade Radiant in the inner corner. I am out of it. I'm thinking that it is the amount of sun that I got. I've been drinking enough water too, but I just feel like it's maybe not enough. I'm going to take some more of that Radiant shade and put it in the brow area. And a little bit out here. And I think just an teeny tiny bit right in here. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of blush. I don't know if this blush is going to look good. This is the one from the Cheek Sticks ColourPop thing. Again, I don't know. I need a mirror. These are big lashes. And again, I just don't want to, like, activate, like, piss off my face. But I'm like, my cheeks didn't get enough sun. I gotta even it out a little. But how about y'all? I hope y'all aren't sunburnt. I always try to ask y'all every single video. Not that I need any on my nose or my freaking forehead. I might put a little bit of bronzer. If I piss off my face, I piss off my face. Also, fun fact, the other day, I got confused with the bronze stick because I thought it was the light, because I thought, you know, it'd be lighter, and I put bronzer on as highlight on accident, so, you know, we're doing good. Kind of go delicate on the forehead, not that I need much. Also, if people have, like, any sort of, like, book recommendations, I love reading horror ones, so, you know, I want to read more. Not that I needed more on my forehead, let's be, like, very honest. Also, guess what? I don't have to sit here and try and do that whole, sunburn looking look. I did that on my own. I don't have to do makeup for it. I'm going in now with the light stick. Pop a little bit here. Does that look like a penis? Okay, I need a little bit of something here. It's just bare down here. Okay, I'm liking this. So I'm gonna go in with this lip stain first just to see if I would like a lighter lip before I go in for the darker one, just, you know, because this is very Barbie. So we're, you know, F it, we're just gonna go in for the darker lip. This, I'm gonna be using the UnEarthly Cosmetics one in Flirt that I got from their mystery box thing. And I'm going to use just a lip liner. I don't know where it's from. I just want to say that it's very difficult being attractive and pretty and confident. Because, like, I look really good right now. But this is the final completed look. I absolutely love it. Do not look really hard at my lashes when I put my eyes down, okay? We're trying. They look good this way, just not, you know, other ways. But I absolutely love this. I think the only reason that I don't pull this out is because I think that the red is just so intimidating. But I absolutely love this. I feel so pretty. I look so pretty. I think I'm gonna put some earrings in when I put my, when I do my pictures and stuff. I'm dying. Okay, during the middle of me trying to do my outro, I got all these notifications. I'm like, what the hell is going on? Okay, so this dude that I had matched with on something, I accidentally added all his girls, even if he hadn't really talked to them, into one group chat. So there's 25 of us right now talking. And I'm absolutely dying at all the conversations going on. But yeah, this is the finished look. I absolutely adore this. I need to pull this out more. I haven't played with it enough. I think I need to just like start dialing down and taking palettes out more instead of staying in my comfort zone of all of them. But this is too pretty to like not stay, to like not be used. So we're gonna try and bring it out more. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you for watching. Thank you for making it here. I absolutely love and adore you. Appreciate you so much. And remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be racist. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. I promise you that it is so much easier to be a nicer person, to not be a dick, to just ignore the things that you do not like or you do not understand. It takes a lot less energy, a lot less brain cells, a lot less work. Yeah. So remember to be safe, to be nice, and don't be a dick.